Welcome to nurtechsolution. Today I gonna show you how you can use Microsoft PowerPoint to show your presentation. It's really simple. Just you need to follow my process. Okay. So first of all, you need to go to your computer where you have like the Microsoft PowerPoint software. So suppose my computer I have in here. So I need to open it. Just need to double click this one. So when I double click this one, it comes like this. Okay, so this is the main page where we're gonna work. So we are under in home. So first one you can see the blank presentation. You can go from here as well. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna click this one and I'm gonna show you how it's look like. It's look like something like that. Okay. So next you can get some of the template as well in here. So you can use this template as well, but we will not work that on. We're gonna go to new. So if you go to under the home, you can see here it said new, and first one said blank presentation. Okay, so this is the blank presentation, and next you have lots of template in here. Okay, so if you don't like blank one, you can go any template and it's more easier for you to work. Suppose I'm gonna open this one, how it's look like. Okay, if I click this one, you can see this is already, you have the template. You just need to edit something and then it's ready for your project. So if you don't like that, then you need to go to something else. Suppose this one you don't like. So we work for blank presentation, but before that I'm gonna show you something. You can get more presentation in here. If you go to search, suppose you need something about education. So write down education in search button. You're gonna see lots of presentations slide is here. So you can choose any template from here as well, and then you can do your project. Okay, so that's also very easy and simple for you. But today I will not show you this kind of things. I'm gonna go to the blank presentation and I'm gonna show you about the blank things, how you can do design and everything. Okay, so if I go to blank presentation, the presentation should be look like something like this. Okay, so you have the right hand side some ideas as well. So suppose you have the design idea, you can choose from here as well what kind of design you like. Okay, so when you go to up, you can see some of the ribbon, like something like the big heading is here. It said design row, similar like your Microsoft Office Word. Okay, so something extra in here to do the PowerPoint more presentable. Okay, so in under the home you can see lots of other things as well, similar like Word as well. Okay, so when you can see like that's, you need to just familiarize bit with this. Okay, so if I go to home now, first I need to click just in here and I need to put something. Suppose I'm gonna write Nur Tech Solution. Okay, so that's my channel, so I'm gonna put some Nur Tech Solution. Then I'm gonna suppose put write down in here by Nur. So what I gonna put in here, so because I am showing here, so nurtechsolution by Nur. So nurtechsolution made by Nur, that I mean in here. So our first slide already made. Okay, so if you don't like this slide, you can delete. Just it's already selected, so you can go to delete and you can delete. If you go to design now, under the design you can see lots of designs in here. Designs are here. Okay, so if you go bit in here, you can see you have more design. Okay, so suppose I gonna like this design, I gonna click this one. Now you can see it's not the blank, only the white page. Now it comes a design. So you can go with this design, or you can go to right hand side, you have more designs are here. Okay, so suppose Nur, I can see this one is very little, so I gonna go to home, then I gonna make it bit bigger to see it's like look like very nice. Okay, so when you go there, you can see Nur Tech Solution by Nur. Now it's look like pretty good. Okay, so our first slide is almost done. Okay, so now suppose you need to make like the second slide, you need to go just in here. You can see new slide, you can go to here and you can click in here, you can choose what kind of template you like. Okay, so that's how you can go over here. Okay, and you can select your second slide. If you don't like that, what you can do, you can go to just new slide, you can click over there, or you can go and you can put like with your mouse as well. So suppose you go over there and put your new slide, just you need to write down top what you want to do. Suppose I gonna write down now is design. Okay, then under that maybe I gonna write down suppose like, then enter, then go to write down share, then enter, then write down subscribe. Okay, so when I write down that, I gonna make it bigger space. So I'll after like I gonna enter, share, enter. So that's how you can make it bigger space to keep your visual, like any photos or any animated something. Okay, so that's how I make it bit space after every like, share and subscribe. Okay, so now what I gonna do, I gonna show you how you can put some animated things in here. Suppose not animated, just some photo. I gonna show you the later the animated. Suppose if you go to picture under the insert things, you can see in picture just in here. So then you need to press in this arrow, and you can see first one is photo from browser or something like that, but we are going to online picture. Just click online picture. You can see right hand side is online picture is available in here. I gonna go to search button and I gonna put suppose like logo. So then I gonna uh, search. When I search, I can see this kind of like logo is here. Suppose I gonna like this one, I need to do this one, need to select, then insert. So just first select, then insert. So when you insert, it gonna pop up in here. Now you can do with your mouse, just from the corner you can just hold it and you can make it resize, so whatever you want. Then you can just hold left hand side but mouse, you can press and you can put reorganize where you want to put. Okay, so then that's how you can put over here. Then what you need to do is just you need to select this text and you can delete it, and then you can put the right button of the mouse, then you can edit your text from here, or you can just straight away start to writing. That's also working for you. Okay, then like my channel. Suppose I gonna write down like my channel. Okay, then what you can do, you can just hold click and hold, and then you can put whatever you want. Okay, then you can resize or anywhere you want to put, you can do that. Okay, so suppose after doing this one, then you can see if you go in here these things, you can see the top. Just if you go to top, you can see this the round button. You can do rounding whatever you want. Suppose you can do like 90 degrees angle or 40 degrees, whatever you want. So you can do that one from there as well. Okay, so suppose first one you already successfully put like button. Then suppose you need to go to again insert button and then go to picture and then go to online. Then suppose again you need to search like what kind of logo you want. Suppose I like share, so I go to share logo, then I enter, just searching. So then it comes, then I go suppose more further down, then maybe this one say the share, I select this one, then I put insert. So when I put insert, it comes to here again. Okay, so then I can resize it whatever I want. So you can do same thing similar like first one. Then you can just text, you can just select in here and straight away write down. It will work like same thing whatever I said. Okay, share my channel. So then suppose I gonna write down in, put in just in here. Okay, I can bit resize. This should be looking good. Okay, so then next one is subscribe. So suppose again I go to insert, then go to picture, then online, then I gonna search similar things, so subscribe button. So okay, I search this one, so I can see lots of subscribe button. I gonna choose this one from here. Okay, when I select and insert, and it has appeared in here. Now I can resize again similar like top two. Okay, so then resize, then I gonna select this text and I gonna write down subscribe my channel. So that's how you can write down whatever you want. So I gonna write down suppose subscribe my channel. Okay, then I gonna put in just in front of it. Okay, I gonna resize bit, so that's how it's look like, maybe pretty good because it's look like bit bigger. I gonna make little bit smaller to looks more pretty. So because this is the presentation, you have to make very nice presentation for your, like, maybe any client or any manager or anything. Okay, for any project. Okay, so then when you are ready in here, you can make it to undo from top. You can see this is the undo and do button. You can do that one as well. Okay, so when you are happy with that, so you successfully made like the first slide and second slide. But I can see here no text solution, one thing is missing, is said maybe the logo. Suppose I go to insert again, go to picture, and this time I gonna go to picture from my desktop. Okay, go to desktop, then I gonna go to my channel, like folder, then I gonna go, suppose this is my logo, I gonna select that on, then I gonna go to insert. Now I gonna resize again, so make it more nice and more presentable for everybody, so that's how people knows this is no text solution and what I want. Okay, something like that. Okay, so then resize it. When you resize it, you can see this one already done, so you can put anywhere. So first slide, second slide already done. So now maybe we're gonna make it like the third slide. So if you need to go to third slide, you can go to new okay, slide, or on the left hand side you can just click and you can put a new as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna write down in here, then I'm gonna write down, suppose, thanks. Okay, thanks, then I'm gonna write down here, thanks for watching. Suppose I'm gonna keep to my audience, to thanks to everybody. Okay, I love to all, something like that. Okay, so thanks, then I'm gonna write down thanks for watching, then I'm gonna click like how you need to make it bigger, that's how it's look like pretty, you know, like the bigger thing. Then I gonna put maybe on of the picture as well. Suppose I go to online and I gonna put maybe the love button or something, love logo, then that's how people will understand I love to all of my audience whoever watching my videos. Okay, suppose I go to love, then select that on, this one look like pretty good, then I gonna go to insert and I gonna resize it. Okay, I gonna put in here, then suppose I gonna write down, just select in this text and delete it, and I gonna write love to all. Okay, so love to all, then maybe I gonna put, where I gonna put this on love to all, maybe I gonna put on the middle of the love. So okay, then I gonna just click on the outside. So this is my presentation right now, 1 2 3 pages you can see, so all already in here. Okay, so when you are happy about that, I'm gonna show you some more things as well after this one. So when you are happy with that, you can come in the bit down. I'm gonna show you just a second. So this is the first page. Okay, if you can see right hand side, you have some more design. You can, when you finish your writing, after that you can change your design anytime, doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter, you need to change first or second. Now I come bit down, you can see the slideshow. You can come in here, or you can go to top slideshow as well. Anywhere you go, it's slideshow. So then you can see this is my slideshow. Then you can go to up and bottom with your arrow keys in your keyboard, or you can go to enter, then you can go to your next slide, like that. Okay, so you have both options. When you come back, you need to put like press the ESC, this, that means escape, then you can come back to your slide again. So when you come back to your slide, you can see here, we can see the like, share and subscribe, it's come together, it has no animation. We're gonna put now some animation. Okay, I'm gonna select like, then I go to animations, the top, then you have lots of animations option. So then so you can choose like the from first on, second on, third on, any one you like. Okay, so suppose I like this one, I put this one, and this one it's coming, you can see the start on click. So when I press on click, after that it will appear. So that means all the animation is coming in here. So every click I finish, then it's coming the animation. So I'm gonna show you how it's work as well. Okay, so suppose this one I gonna put another animation from here. So that's all are my animations. So you can put any animations you want. You have plenty of option over there. Okay, so when you are ready, you think this is all are good for you, then you can go to slideshow again. Then you can see this is the first page, the second page. You see the animation is not here. Now you need to just press on your arrow key, bottom key. You can see that it's coming on by on. So that means every click it is appearing, so it's look like very cool now. Okay, so it's like, share and subscribe. So that's how you can do that, and then you can skip and you can come back. Okay, so when you are happy, you can save your project. Just go to top, you can save just in here, or you can go to your files, computer files, and you can see it says save as. You can save as from here as well. So both will work similar. Okay, suppose I go from here, clicked in here, then save as. I gonna put my save as like the project name. Suppose I gonna put nurtechsolution. That's my project. And where I gonna put, suppose I gonna put in my desktop, then it is PowerPoint presentation, then save. So it's already saved now to my desktop. Okay, so you can see in my desktop, if I come to my desktop, it said nurtechsolution. This is the one. Okay, when you open it, now you can edit or you can change whatever you want later. You can see it's all you can do later. Okay, so maybe you need to change little bit to show your student or your teacher, or maybe you make some mistake. Okay, now if you go to home, you can see under the home your recent work just in here still. Okay, so that means your work one by one, when you work it one by one coming after that. Okay, so you can go to recent and you can see here as well. Suppose this project you need always to work with same project, so then you need to go to recent and you can see here is a pin button. What you need to do, you need to just click that on. When you click that on, you can see it's pinned. That means whatever you work, like maybe thousand of project you do, you did, but still that project will be top of that because you already put a pin. So that's all for today. If you believe this video is helpful for you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.